As we move further away from the days of conventional motor oils, most newer vehicles no longer have to have an oil and filter change every 3,000 miles. High-efficiency engines and high-quality oil have changed the way we approach the service. Some vehicles don't have to get an oil change more than once every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or even up to 15,000 miles. Due to how efficient engines and motor oils have become, commonly held advice may not be correct anymore. Getting an oil change is a simple way to keep your vehicle in good running condition. Without clean oil to efficiently lubricate your engine's moving parts, serious damage can occur. In fact, not maintaining the oil can void your warranty and even cause engine failure. If that happens, you'll be spending thousands of dollars to fix the problem. When you need to change your car's oil depends on the type of oil you use. If your car uses conventional motor oil, it likely should be changed every 3,000 miles or 3 months. If your car has synthetic oil, it likely should be changed every 5,000 to 15,000 miles. See your owner's manual or contact your dealer if you are unsure of which type of oil is recommended for your specific vehicle.